Welcome to Gracie's Wig Journey. I can't believe it's going on 3, maybe even 4 years that I've been here with my YouTube channel. It has been such a journey for me. For those of you that may be new to my channel, I had lost an awful lot of hair at the loss of my college sweetheart. And my dermatologist told me it's alopecia areata. It will grow back, but it may take 9 months to a year. And I said, 9 months to a year? I can't wait that long. What do I do? So that's where I began Gracie's journey. And at this membership level, Wig Chat VIP, is I wanted us as a community to interact with each other together, not just me and one-on-one, but us together. I want to have, I call them Zoom meetings, but YouTube calls them like the live feature, where we can come together as friends and share our journey, ask questions, what works for you, what works for another, and of course I share what works for me. You will also be alerted in advance of when I'm going to be publishing a new video, so you'll always be on top of the mark. But I thought what I would also add, not only everything you want to know is from an educational point of view, in fact, consider that particular level your library. Everything you want to know about anything when it comes to hair loss, wigs, toppers, synthetic hair, human hair, price differences, also we're the best manufacturers of these wigs versus the less expensive, and it's okay to get into the less expensive ones too. It's all a matter of technique and knowing how to work with a cap. But all of those details will be in that first level membership. But I also felt some of my interaction with you these last few years. Some of you are professional women. You are building your careers. You're going to be the next CEO of your company, or you're progressing within that big banking institution that you're working for. Because I want to help you not only look the part, but dress the part. A little background with me. I was in the very first graduating class of the Protocol School of Washington, D.C. I worked with top CEOs, diplomats, congressional elected officials in trying to polish them to look the part. They may have all this knowledge, but if you can't communicate properly, if you have what I call cultural intelligence, meaning that if you are working with a Japanese client and you really want to get that deal, everyone to sign on that dotted line, that contract that they are going to be working with you with their products, you've got to have a cultural intelligence and awareness of different people from all over the world. Their behavior and idiosyncrasies are different than Americans. And those women that are cognizant of this and have been polished and have learned the do's and don'ts of everything from table dining to dress for success to the proper hairstyle when you're in the corporate marketplace, because you want people to take you seriously. And so in my next level, and I refer to it as Wig Chat Elite, this is for those women that will get a combination of not only types of wigs to purchase, from toppers, the styling, particularly when you're in business or going into that corporate office, but also I want to share with you the protocols and the etiquettes of social interaction. First impressions make a lasting impression. And if you have a negative first impression, you're not going to close that deal. So for those of you that really want to be polished, not only looking the part, but acting the part, then that particular level will be for you. And also, I wanted to share with you, I have a wonderful, wonderful woman dermatologist, and I'm hoping that she will be able to join us in some of our live chat to answer all your questions, particularly when it comes to hair loss, of understanding the science, as well as understanding the science when it comes to the infrared red therapy, as far as stimulating your hair follicles to grow. So please join up, be my guest, and be part of the inner group where I will be your partner through your journey, and you will be my friend. Have a great day.